tea tree oil for warts. Tea tree, or melaleuca oil, is an essential oil. It is made from the leaves of a small evergreen tree of the myrtle family Myrtaceae, endemic to Australia. This oil is widely popular for its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory, as well as antiviral and antifungal properties. Melaleuca oil is used in the manufacture of cosmetic products, various gels and creams, lotions, shampoos, deodorants, toothpastes and liquid soaps, as well as in pharmaceutical industry that includes this natural component to many medicines and recognizes it as a perfect natural solution for treatment of different issues, especially skin problems. This oil serves for skin care, stops infections and development of fungi and bacteria, relieves inflammations and redness. Warning: avoid the contact of melaleuca oil with food and beverages, as it is toxic when consumed. Among its advantages, tea tree oil is among the most popular home remedies for warts and moles. It has antiviral properties and is a safe way to remove warts naturally. Warts are small tumors that most often appear on hands and feet. Their cause is a viral infection called human papillomavirus and are contagious, and they can reappear in months or even years. As you could learn from our articles, there are many options for wart removal. To get rid of warts, you can go through laser therapy or to use salicylic acid, try mechanical removal or CRO techniques as prescribed by your dermatologist. But if you search for an efficient and safe home remedy, tea tree oil is your choice. This removing method is simple and cheap. Warning: in sale you can often find so-called cosmetic tea tree oil composition that is a mixture of two oils, only 10% of tea tree oil itself and 90% of soybean oil. The effectiveness of the use of such a mixture will be minimal, so choose only 100% oil. However, 100% tea tree essential oil can be used only after dilution, because its use in pure form can cause skin irritation. Removal of plantar warts. If you have warts located on your feet, just smear them with melaleuca oil twice or thrice a day. Do not dilute the oil, because the feet skin is thicker than anywhere on your body and thus is less sensitive. However, if your skin is sensitive and you know that it's very vulnerable to irritations, you can dilute the oil with herbal decoctions, aloe vera juice or gel or water. As well as all over your body, 50-50 dilution is sufficient. Removal of warts on other parts of the body. If you have warts on any parts of the body except for feet, avoid applying on your skin pure tea tree oil as it can lead to irritation of your skin and cause redness and itching. Therefore, dilute the tea tree oil by 50%, using water, herbal decoctions or aloe vera juice or gel. You can change the concentration of oil, depending on the reaction of your skin to treatment. But the more concentrated tea tree oil is, the faster will be warts removal. Here it is necessary to choose a compromised dosage to ensure, on the one hand, effective treatment, on the other hand, skin protection from irritation caused by the wart remover. Tea tree oil use at night. Along with the daily treatment of warts, for greater effect, use the melaleuca oil at night. This will allow the oil to penetrate the skin much deeper. Thus, the virus that causes warts will be eliminated much faster. Simply dilute the oil in your individual proportion you found the most suitable, or basically by 50%, but this time with olive oil. Dip a piece of gauze with the obtained solution and attach it to the wart. Use plaster to stick the gauze to the body. Leave it on overnight and repeat the procedure nightly until you see that the warts have been removed. Genital warts. You can also use tea tree oil for warts on the genitals, provided that there is no wounded and irritated skin. Use the same dilution proportion that you have individually chosen. Use a cotton swab or a gauze bandage for the treatment of warts. Remove excess moisture. Leave the bandage on overnight. Continue repeating this procedure every night until the complete disappearance of warts. In this treatment it is very important to take into consideration the level of sensitivity of your skin. If used oil concentration causes irritation, Increase the level of dilution with water, herbal decoctions, aloe vera gel or juice or olive oil.